it's Pink Poodle 2 here. Sorry, I'm not very well again, so I'm afraid you're going to have to look at Priscilla and Maisie. We're opening the DEGUSTABOX, which has just been delivered to me. So I've just opened this little bit here. So DEGUSTABOX is a monthly subscription food box that has food and snacks and all nice things. So open it up. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Got a little thing here. Don't know what's in it. I haven't seen no spoilers, nothing. So I do apologise. I know that we're opening a video up today, but some of the videos have been pre-recorded. So what we've got in here: find coffee without compromise at packedcoffee.com. And there's some information, and if you want to get thing, you can use DEGUSTABOX and you get some money off by the looks of it. So that's one thing, put that over there. Then we've got the main thing, and it is called September Family Sharing Home Cooking, and there's a nice recipe on the back for some sort of risotto. You can see that. I don't know where you're going on that. So this is what's in the box. So let's just pick it out and I'll find out how much it is and everything like that. So that's the box. So the first thing in the box we see is this, oh this is heavy, this granular risotto arborio rice. It's very heavy. It is 500 grams, so that's half a kilo. Ooh. And this is, let me find it, worth £2.29. Brings the best Italian risotto rice, especially from the rice fields in Italy. Our risotto rice is plump, stubby rice, and yeah, so that's that. So that's £2.29. I shall put it down on there for you. Next, I've got an Alpine bar, and this one is a protein, berries and yogurt, and you get a multi-pack of 5 bars, and it's $2.69. And because it's a protein Alpine bar, not Alpine bar is cereal taste. Oh lovely, some jellies. I hope these are vegetarian jellies. Yes they are, thank God for that, so I can have them. So these are a single pot of jelly is £55, 55p, and these are suitable vegetarians, so that's really good because I can eat them. As you know, I don't eat meat. And we've got something in a glass bottle. I don't know what this is. I think this is some sort of pesto. This is epicure pesto, and it could be a couple of them. These are most pestos inspired by world flavours. A passion for cooking starts with something or other. The epicure. Oh god, this is really hard to do it one-handed. And we have the fiery sauce with tomatoes and chilli, the chocolaca pesto. So this is £2.99, and you can receive one of 5 flavours. We have a big bottle of Lucasade, which is orange 0, and it's £1.99. Sorry. And then it's Lucasade 0. We Paul like that. He likes Lucasade quite a lot. Then we've got some lazy garlic, which will come in handy, and that is worth £1.85. It's garlic paste. And then we have some fruit. I think we had these before, fruit bites in peach, and these are 100% wild, no flake stuff, 100% fruit, so they're kosher, vegan, gluten-free, and they're 79p. You can get berry and peach. Did we get another one? Have a look. No, yes we do, we get another one. We get the berry one as well, so we get 2 of them. So that's nice. Lydia like that. She'll come in tomorrow. Oh, and then we got some Milky Bar buttons. Milky Bar buttons, 55p each. So that's good. we've got a great big bottle here as well. Oh, blimey, what's this? This is alcohol. Oh, excellent. Alcohol free. If you don't drink, you don't use alcohol here. Very rarely we ever drink alcohol, we'd rather not. So, and this is alcohol free. And this is something that I'm going to open. This is what happens when you do something one-handed. Still. Here's what it is, isn't it? I'm not well enough to show my face. I look so ill. But it'll scare you. Oh, and there it goes. Look at this. This looks really nice. That looks really nice. Made with quality wine with the alcohol removed. Oh, that sounds really nice. So look, how much is this worth? This is worth £4. There it is there. You want to read it? It's bursting with strawberry. Oh, lovely. And then we've got, oh, this is definitely for my Lils. Yummy things. She'll eat them because they're her favourite Paw Patrol. And she loves Sky and Chase. And they're you're lovely, made with fruits. Yeah, she'll like that. Like cake things, she'll have that when we pick her up. So she'll be happy with that. That's really good. And then we've got another Alpenbar protein ones time chocolate. Yeah. And then we've got these here, which is, I think we've had these before, chocolate mellow, and caramel, and these are, where are these? Hang on a second, I'm going to find them. Here they are, down here, and they're pack bar or 2 planned for a pack of 4. So yeah, unique having 4 that traffic. There you go. You should receive 2 items in your box. You can get them on Sainsbury's and Amazon. So what about these ones then? You can receive 2 bars in your box. Okay. So small pack of 4. You should. Well, we only get 2, 1 of each. So yes, that's a really nice box. So we've got in our box this month, and I will put how much this box is all worth. We got this for Lil. Sorry, this is good for Lily. We've got a nice bottle of wine for me and Paul. It's non-alcoholic. We've got a pesto that will go with the arborio rice. I'm sure you can put them together. I don't know. We've got some sweet treaty things that look really nice. We've got a bottle of Lucasade, which Paul will love. I'm not going to tell him in a minute. I've got some jellies that I love myself. We've got some protein bars. We've got some sweet treats there. We've got some Milky Bar and some garlic. Did I miss anything out? I'm throwing some garlic. Right. And I think that is absolutely brilliant. So I'm really pleased with the DEGUSTABOX this month. So yeah, so that's it this month. I'll just go down it so you can see it. Stop it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a paws up, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. It really does help. So I really want to try and get my message out there. Yeah, just thank you. And I'm so sorry that I'm not well enough again to show my face. And the doggies are not really near. They're over there. Billy Bum Bum's over there. And Dora is there. So thank you so much for watching Pink Poodle 2. And we will see you in the next video. What did you say, Priscilla? It is what it is. And it ain't what it ain't. Until next time on Pink Poodle 2. Bye. Thank you.